Imagine standing at a crossroads. Instead of two paths, over 154 distinct career routes stretch out in front of you. Drill down further, and those routes splinter into more than 3,000 individual occupations. Faced with this kind of volume, we tend to rely on fragile filters. We look at recent test scores, we chase whatever industry is trending, or we simply guess. The cost of that guesswork is steep. Placing a student on an incompatible path often leads to chronic professional burnout, a steady erosion of their self-confidence, and a pervasive feeling of drifting without purpose. If a student struggles to find their footing, it's rarely a lack of ambition. It is a failure of the methodology we use to guide them. There is an alternative to chance. We can replace subjective guesswork with a structured, data-driven system designed to map out a specific career trajectory. This approach focuses on replacing casual opinions with measurable data points derived from human psychology to build a predictable path toward fulfillment. A human being is too complex to be defined by a single metric like a math grade. To accurately identify where someone will thrive, we have to evaluate them across multiple dimensions simultaneously. This model analyzes 5 interconnected dimensions: career interest, skills and abilities, career values and learning style, career personality, and emotional intelligence. Our assessment of career personality is rooted in established psychological profiling. We look at how a student naturally processes information and makes decisions rather than relying on surface-level surveys. We also measure emotional intelligence as a standalone dimension. This helps us understand how a student will likely navigate the interpersonal and workplace dynamics of a professional environment. This methodology synthesizes several peer-reviewed scientific frameworks, incorporating models like the VARK learning styles and John Holland's occupational themes to build a complete profile. By plotting data across all 5 of these dimensions at once, we identify a student's natural occupational profile. Once we have this multidimensional data, we use a sequential process to narrow down the thousands of career options into a manageable selection. The process begins with psychometric analysis, gathering raw data on motivations, personality, and preferred learning styles. We then move to aptitude elimination, filtering out paths incompatible with natural skills to focus on areas of higher potential. This data-driven elimination creates a psychological safety net, ensuring the student avoids investing years into a career path that conflicts with their inherent strengths. We then map the student's profile against 20 distinct career clusters. We isolate the specific areas where they score the highest, such as engineering, manufacturing, or human services. The next step is work nature analysis, identifying the most suitable career path by determining options that align with daily work preferences. Finally, we build a concrete execution plan. This roadmap details the specific steps needed to reach their identified career goals. The assessment concludes by generating a validated, highly specific blueprint for the student's future. Instead of the anxiety of staring down unknown paths, a student who completes this assessment begins their journey with a defined professional direction. This alignment allows them to maximize their natural strengths, which often leads to higher career satisfaction and a more purposeful life. Selecting a career path based on this scientific methodology today establishes the foundation for professional fulfillment tomorrow. Nexara provides access to this advanced, multidimensional assessment methodology. Stop guessing with your child's future. Start a discussion today to establish a clear, data-driven roadmap for their success. Scan the QR code on your screen or reach out via WhatsApp to book your free assessment.